So, the first technique that you want to make sure you implement every seller appointment as soon as you walk in the door is you want to make sure you're connecting with them. Don't rush into the numbers. Don't rush into talking about a possible offer or what that offer could be. Don't rush into that. Try to look around their home, try to look around what is it that they have, they own, they've done that you can connect with. Do they fish? Do they golf? Do they I don't know, whatever the hell they like, certain books, maybe certain politics. Whatever it is that you feel you can connect with, do so. Look for that point. Look for a connection. Don't look at, again, don't be transactional, because if you can find things that are in common between you guys, you start building trust, right? And now they're like, oh, this person likes so and so just like I do. We have something in common. And when people have things in common, they're more likely to do business together. So that's one of the things. Every time I go to an appointment, the first thing I'm doing, I'm always scoping out the whole house. I'm trying to find what is it that they have that we can find in common. And sometimes when you go to certain properties that, maybe they're really old or whatever it may be, and it's like, I don't know, we're obviously not going to have a lot in common. Try to find something that you can at least know something about and make it be something that you guys have in common. All right. That's the biggest thing with negotiating and everything is, like, if you're focused on negotiating, you're already doing it wrong. You got to be focused on connecting. You got to be focused on building that rapport, building that connection with the homeowner, being able to see what it is that they're doing and all these things. Where is it that you guys have some overlap? And with this overlap, you can actually build something on top of. So what this connecting does is actually makes them invest their time in you, right? So now they're investing time, they're talking, you guys are conversing, you're going back and forth. And you got to think about it this way. Like, if you've done marketing for any level of any amount of time, you've probably seen that you come across sellers that are like, they're fed up with talking to investors, right? Because they've been doing this for so long with so many different people that they're just tired of doing that. So if you can get them essentially tired of talking to people with you, but you build that good connection, they won't talk to other investors. They're going to talk to you. You understand? They're going to have more invested with you. So that's what you want them to do. You want them to invest their time with you. And the best way people invest their time is when they talk about themselves or they talk about things they're interested in. You understand? So you got to find those things and make sure that they're investing a lot of time with you.